There you go.
Did you do it?
Here we go. Here we go.
I'm having a video now. Gotcha. The video is going on.
Yeah, well, did you see him biting her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are those love nibbles?
The video is going on. Yeah.
It's working, huh? Look, Kathy,
Yeah.
we're getting a video. It's working.
She rolls over every time.
Yeah.
Maybe that's to keep the semen in.
Maybe. Okay.
Oh, that feels so good, doesn't it?
You know why the female she's lying like that?
Why?
In order to, I mean, the sperms to go through there.
The semen?
Yeah,
So it doesn't-
yeah. She's ready for the baby.
Look at the semen in it. Wonder how many minutes that one was.
In between?
Yeah. Daytime, the other one was 9 minutes.
It was 11 minutes.
They're getting tired out.